Hello South Africa. Eskom wants to kick out another 500 white male workers, says trade union Solidarity. The trade unit Solidarity says the ailing state power utility Eskom wants to get rid of another 500 white male workers by 2025. This is mainly persons who is responsible for maintenance work, the union said. In a statement issued on Wednesday, the union says this was according to Eskom's latest race plan for 2023 to 2025. Solidarity has now asked Eskom for a moratorium on race-based appointments at Eskom to help address the power crisis. The union said there is a need in South Africa to deploy the best possible skills in jobs regardless of race. Eskom has learned nothing from this. It is still pursuing its race program, even in the dark, Solidarity Chief Executive Dr. Dirk Hamon Solidarity said. He added that they are preparing a court case to exempt Eskom from black economic empowerment requirements. According to Solidarity, black economic empowerment is costing Eskom billions. A tariff increase would not have been necessary if Eskom did not have to meet all the racial requirements involved in procurement. This is Leah for the South African. Please subscribe for more news updates.